Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 15 new Amazon woodworking tools that are on another level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, these tools are designed to upgrade your workshop, simplify your projects, and help you achieve professional quality results. From precision measuring devices to high-performance saws and jigs, each product brings something unique to the table. We'll go through each tool in detail, covering key features, pros and cons, and how it can make your woodworking faster, safer, and more precise. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and links to every tool mentioned. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Irwin Combination Square. Starting off strong, the Irwin Combination Square is one of the most versatile and essential tools for any woodworker. Designed with a stainless steel ruler and an adjustable square head, it allows for precise measurements and perfect 90-degree angles. Whether you're marking cuts, checking the squareness of a joint, or laying out dovetails, this square is incredibly reliable. Its easy-to-read markings and solid construction ensure consistent accuracy over years of use. Lightweight yet durable, it fits comfortably in your tool belt or workshop drawer. The head can also double as a simple depth gauge or marking guide, giving you multiple functions in one tool. Pros include precision, durability, and multifunctional design, while a minor con is that for extremely large-scale industrial projects, you might want a bigger square. Overall, it's a must-have, especially for beginners seeking professional-level accuracy and for experienced woodworkers who want a trustworthy, everyday measurement tool. Number 2. Lexicon Miter Saw. Next up, the Lexicon Miter Saw is a game-changer for any woodworker looking to achieve precise crosscuts, bevels, and compound angles. Its high-powered motor effortlessly slices through hardwoods, softwoods, and plywood, making it perfect for furniture, cabinetry, and framing projects. A built-in laser guide ensures that your cuts are always perfectly aligned, eliminating guesswork and increasing efficiency. The saw is designed with safety in mind, featuring a blade guard and anti-kickback system to protect both the user and the wood. Its adjustable bevel and miter settings allow for highly detailed work, from angled picture frames to complex molding. Pros include speed, accuracy, and reliability, while the main drawback is that it's slightly heavy, making it less portable. Despite that, for a stationary workshop setup, this saw is ideal. If you want to make flawless cuts without compromise, the Lexicon Miter Saw is an investment that will pay off on every project. Number 3. Milescraft Center Finder. Finding the perfect center for drilling or cutting can be a challenge, but the Milescraft Center Finder makes it effortless. This tool features a laser alignment system that ensures pinpoint accuracy, whether you're working on round dowels, pipes, or irregular shapes. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's easy to maneuver across different materials, and it significantly reduces the time spent measuring and marking. For hobbyists building furniture, cabinetry, or custom woodworking projects, this tool is a real time saver. Pros include fast, precise alignment, user-friendly setup, and portability, while the minor con is that the laser requires battery maintenance. What makes it truly valuable is its ability to eliminate guesswork, ensuring that holes, dowels, or screws always hit the center every time. For anyone who values precision and wants to avoid mistakes, this is a small but transformative tool in the workshop. Number 4. Micro Jig Dovetail Clamps. For joinery, nothing compares to the Micro Jig Dovetail Clamps. These clamps are specifically engineered to handle dovetail joints, boxes, drawers, and small assemblies with incredible precision. Made from high-quality steel, they're built to last while providing a strong, adjustable grip. The clamps are easy to operate with quick-release handles, allowing for seamless adjustments and repositioning without losing alignment. Whether you're creating fine furniture or intricate wooden boxes, these clamps ensure that your joints are tight and uniform, preventing gaps that can compromise structural integrity. Pros include accuracy, strength, and durability, while the learning curve for beginners may be a minor con. If you're serious about professional joinery, these clamps are a must-have for maintaining perfect, repeatable results every time. Number 5. Digital Electronic Level. Accuracy in leveling is critical, and the digital electronic level delivers that with ease. This tool combines traditional bubble leveling with digital readouts, giving precise angle measurements in degrees for flat, vertical, or angled surfaces. Magnetic edges allow for hands-free use on metal, while a sturdy design ensures it can withstand the demands of a busy workshop. Lightweight yet durable, it's ideal for tasks ranging from hanging cabinets to setting up router tables or leveling furniture components. Pros include digital precision, easy-to-read display, and versatility, while the only minor con is that it requires battery power to operate. With the digital electronic level, you can guarantee perfectly level and angled work, reducing mistakes and increasing confidence in your woodworking projects. Number 6. Milescraft Sanding Block. Next on our list, the Milescraft sanding block is a simple yet incredibly effective tool for any woodworker. Designed for comfort and precision, it allows you to sand small surfaces, edges, and corners with better control than handheld sandpaper alone. Its ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue, making long sanding sessions much easier, while the flat base ensures even pressure across surfaces, preventing uneven sanding or gouges. Compatible with a variety of sandpaper sheets, it's versatile for everything from smoothing furniture edges to prepping surfaces for finishing. Pros include comfort, precision, and durability, and a minor con is that it's best suited for small to medium projects rather than large, flat panels. For detailed woodworking tasks, this sanding block transforms finishing from a tedious chore into a controlled, professional process, ensuring smooth, clean results every time. Number 7. Weetall's Corner Clamp. Creating perfect corners is a breeze with the Weetall's Corner Clamp, designed to hold materials at precise 90-degree angles while you assemble or glue them. Its sturdy steel construction ensures stability, and the adjustable jaws accommodate a range of material thicknesses. Ideal for making boxes, drawers, frames, and cabinetry, this clamp saves time while improving accuracy, especially when working with multiple pieces that must align perfectly. The clamp is lightweight yet strong, allowing for easy positioning and handling. Pros include precision, strength, and ease of use, while a minor con is that it may feel slightly tight with very thick stock. Overall, the Weetall's Corner Clamp is a must-have for woodworkers who demand perfectly aligned corners, making assembly faster, cleaner, and more professional. Number 8. Ruittal Japanese Hand Saw. For fine cutting tasks, the Ruittal Japanese Hand Saw is unmatched in both accuracy and efficiency. Known for its pull-cut design, this saw slices through wood cleanly with minimal effort, reducing splintering and tear out. Its sharp, high-carbon steel blade maintains an edge longer than traditional saws, and the lightweight handle offers a comfortable grip for extended use. Whether you're cutting joinery, trimming panels, or creating intricate shapes, this saw delivers smooth, controlled cuts every time. Pros include sharpness, control, and longevity, while a minor con is that beginners may need a short adjustment period to get used to the pull-cut technique. This saw is perfect for any woodworker seeking precision, clean edges, and professional quality cuts in their projects. Number 9. Craig K-Chi Hinge. Hinges are critical for cabinetry, and the Craig K-Chi Hinge takes accuracy and ease to a whole new level. Engineered for consistent installation of concealed hinges, it ensures perfect alignment every time, saving both effort and material. Its durable steel construction guarantees longevity, while the precise design reduces the risk of misaligned doors or uneven gaps. Compatible with a wide range of cabinet door sizes, the Craig K-Chi Hinge simplifies what can often be a tricky task, making your cabinet assemblies look professional without expensive adjustments. Pros include accuracy, durability, and ease of use, while the minor con is that it requires familiarity with hinge specifications. If you're serious about clean, professional cabinetry, this is a tool that guarantees perfect door alignment every time. Number 10. Skill Router Table. The Skill Router Table is a powerhouse for precision and creativity in any woodworking shop. Its sturdy table surface and adjustable fence allow for controlled routing, edge shaping, and joinery. With compatibility for a variety of routers, this table transforms your handheld router into a stationary, versatile machine, ideal for intricate patterns, grooves, and dados. Safety is prioritized with anti-slip feet, dust collection ports, and a fence guard, making long sessions safer and more productive. Pros include versatility, precision, and safety, while the minor con is that setting up the table may require some initial adjustment. For woodworkers wanting to elevate their projects with clean, professional cuts and consistent results, this router table is an essential piece of equipment. Number 11. Professional Router Bit Kit. The Professional Router Bit Kit is designed for woodworkers seeking precision, versatility, and durability in one complete package. Containing a wide variety of bits, from straight and flush trim to roundover and chamfer, this kit allows you to perform detailed joinery, edge profiling, and decorative work with ease. Each bit is made from high-speed steel or carbide-tipped materials, ensuring sharpness, long-lasting performance, and minimal wear even during heavy use. Ideal for cabinets, furniture, and decorative trim, the bits fit standard routers and offer smooth, clean cuts every time. Pros include versatility, longevity, and precision, while a minor con is that beginners may need guidance to select the right bit for each task. For serious woodworkers, this kit is a must-have for expanding creative possibilities and achieving professional quality results. Number 12. Dador Centering Doweling Jig. The Dador Centering Doweling Jig revolutionizes drilling perfect dowel holes for joinery. With adjustable guides and sturdy construction, it ensures holes are drilled accurately, even on uneven or irregular stock. Perfect for cabinet making, furniture assembly, or any project requiring precise alignment, this jig minimizes mistakes, strengthens joints, and saves hours of guesswork. Its compact design fits easily into a toolbox, yet it's robust enough to handle repeated use. Pros include accuracy, durability, and ease of alignment, while the minor con is that it may take a little practice to master different angles and thicknesses. This jig is ideal for woodworkers who want strong, perfectly aligned joints in every project. Number 13, sharpening stone. No workshop is complete without a reliable sharpening stone, and this tool ensures all your blades, from chisels to knives, are razor sharp. With dual grit surfaces, it provides coarse grinding to restore damaged edges and fine polishing for a mirror-smooth finish. The stone's non-slip base keeps it stable during sharpening, reducing the risk of accidents and ensuring consistent results. Pros include effectiveness, precision, and versatility, while a minor con is that it requires proper technique to avoid uneven edges. For anyone serious about woodworking, a sharpening stone is essential for maintaining cutting tools at peak performance, extending their life, and improving the quality of every cut. Number 14, thin rip jig table saw. The thin rip jig table saw is designed for accurate and safe narrow rip cuts. Its adjustable fence and precision alignment allow you to slice through boards cleanly, even on very thin stock, without risking kickback or uneven edges. Perfect for cabinetry, shelving, and delicate work, this jig enhances both safety and efficiency. Constructed with durable aluminum and steel, it withstands rigorous use while maintaining consistent performance. Pros include precision, safety, and durability, and a minor con is that setup takes time to ensure perfect alignment. This jig is ideal for woodworkers who need consistent, clean rip cuts on thin or intricate stock. Number 15, Saker scribing tool. Rounding out the list is the Saker scribing tool, an essential for marking precise lines and measuring irregular surfaces. Its adjustable arms and high-visibility markings allow you to transfer measurements accurately from templates to stock, whether for angled cuts, curved surfaces, or intricate joinery. The durable construction ensures long-lasting use, and its ergonomic design makes it easy to handle for extended periods. Pros include accuracy, versatility, and durability, while a minor con is that it may require practice for complex shapes. For craftsmen seeking precision layout and flawless alignment, this scribing tool elevates both quality and efficiency in every woodworking project. And that wraps up our list of 15 new Amazon woodworking tools that are on another level. These tools are perfect for anyone looking to boost productivity, improve accuracy, and make every project more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more top product lists, reviews, and woodworking tips. We'd love to hear which tool caught your eye or which one you're planning to add to your workshop first. Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more amazing gear and gadgets.